Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.